Creamy chocolate dessert melts in your mouth. Start by chopping 150 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Finely chop it into chocolate shavings just like this, and set aside. Next, in a medium saucepan, add 280 milliliters of milk at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 300 milliliters of whipping cream, and mix until the sugar fully dissolves. When that happens, turn on the heat at low power and keep stirring until the mixture heats up. But make sure to bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's hot enough, turn off the heat and add 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, hydrated according to the package instructions, and mix until incorporated into the cream. Once you've done that, in a large bowl, add all the chocolate shavings, the cream we just made, and mix all the ingredients together until the chocolate fully melts and incorporates into the mixture. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right mix. Now, transfer the mixture to a pitcher to make it easier to split it into small dessert cups. Next, equally split the mixture into dessert bowls or cups. Each of these cups I'm using here have a capacity of 120 milliliters. Have you downloaded that recipe app on your phone yet? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all of our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. I'll leave the app link for download here in the comment section. Go ahead and download it right now. After that, take the cups to the fridge and let them chill for at least 6 hours. After this indicated time, remove from the fridge. And finish with chocolate shavings to taste. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.